All right, good place. Good place. Okay, here's the door. Good place. Okay. Let's check out your view. Smile. Good place. Now I'm really pushing it because I'm over here and the door's open. Good decision. Very nice. I'm going to go close it and you're going to stay on place. Good job. Actually, let's do one more thing. Good place. This will be the hard part. Good place. What a good puppy on place.